Okay, I don't know where to start because a lot of things happens around me and it's been a long time I haven't been talking to you guys because I just have a summer vacation visiting my family back in Vietnam, and right now I'm back to US, continuing studying abroad. I'm just gonna just take it slow, and I'll try not to make the videos too long, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hey yo, what's up? My name is iPhong and welcome back to the videos where I mainly talk about a lot of stuff happening around me. So first of all, I want to thank you guys for 65 subscribers. My last I talk videos, and as you can see that it's on my YouTube channels, which is based on the uh, introduction videos when you just start clicking on my main YouTube page, and in that time I just got a little 5 subscribers, and right now I got 65 subscribers. I got 30 subscribers now, so thank you guys. I just seriously thought that when I do a lot of dumb stuff in the summers, and I hope you guys will enjoy my all my previous videos, because every time I say that I'm afraid that every time I'm doing dumb stuff you guys probably just click away and not gonna watch my videos for the whole thing. But I'm glad that you guys all enjoy it, and even though I haven't seen any comments much and down below, but yeah, it's good to be back and talk to you guys about the stuff that happening around me. So first of all, the frequently asked question, because you guys just see me playing Nightcore instead of double times mod in also. Well, I got 3 reasons to play Nightcore. The first reason is double time sucks, because double time is just like the speed ups but with the normal vocal and normal instrumental music. So I kind of don't like the type music because it's kind of, it's not annoying but it doesn't sound good. And the second reason is I like Nightcore. That's simple because Nightcore is simply just avoid copyright, because I'm mostly posting Nightcore plays on YouTube, and yeah, that pay off. You don't normally get copyright claims, but if you do, you can just try to quiet the Nightcore musics and make the hit sounds louder. And the third reason is, of course, Nightcore is kind of chipmunk vocals if you're watching the movie Alvin and the Chipmunks, and it's just like making the singing and music on high pitch. So social media will find it harder to support the copyright contents. And talking about copyright content, I saw a lot of other small channels like me trying to posting plays in the normal speed, and I don't know if they get copyright or not, but I don't want to get in troubles on YouTube because it may get conflict with the company who make their own music, and simply that I get my channel banned or restricted, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna play Nightcore mostly on my YouTube channel. And the next part is about the rebalance. I'm gonna type it on the video. So I put the stuff because mostly of the old OSUB maps that was made in 2016, which is my also project that I'm trying to finish. I got November and December for those left, and I cannot wait to try to post them like for next week because I got a lot of random stuff to do at the weekends and also my private life. I got college and I need to focus on my studying. Until there's a news I heard about a PP change on the length side of the map. Well, it's not exactly the length of the map. It's just kind of the hit object or trying to balance difficulties on the short maps and the long maps. And I'm not gonna go deeper some detail on this because I don't want to say anything stupid because I didn't do any deeper research. But the reason why I'm talking about the rebalance stuff because if it happens in the summers when the is also decided to change the PP system because of the hidden mod farming. And I used to be a no mod players, but when I started play HND mods and it kind of worked out on my reading, but it's actually making my horror skill even worse. But I kind of enjoy because playing with mods on also will get more PP, which is performance points, and and I started to play like farming a lot harder stuff off recording, and because I don't want a song in normal speeds will appears in my YouTube channel because it will result as copyright. So and I prefer to post like on Facebook then because Facebook they also got copyrights, but because of the hit sound of the games it will affect the music of the copyrights music. So I don't get into trouble, but mainly the audience who see my hidden mod also replay is mostly Vietnamese people. But even though if you're not Vietnamese or you're even don't have the Facebook account, you can just go straight to also and just find my names in the middle of the Subi map leaderboards because I'm mostly there. And you can see in the tougher difficulties I mostly play hidden mod only, so you can get to see my also replies by just click on my name, and here we go. Until right now they decide to change the PP system again based on the hit objects of the long length map and the short length map. And I think the change is actually good, not because I will get my PP buffed. It's because that and the people they trying to balance the difficulties of the short maps and the long length maps, and I think the change is actually good, and I can't wait to see the changes. But that's kind of affect my video title as well because mostly of my video title is just rebalance. So I just gonna simply just gonna change it like before the PP nerf, or it's just mainly 2018 play. Right now I am top 50 also players in Vietnam and top 10,000 of also players around the world, and I just recently reached the 6k performance points. And after the PP system change again, I will almost reach to 6.5k performance points. And I personally says that I'm happy what I done, and I actually don't know how the leaderboard will change and I don't know if I still exist to top 50 also players in Vietnam after the PP system change. So nobody knows. So all we have to do is just wait, and which also means that I'm also waiting for the PP counters to be updated as well. So I'm just gonna take a short break for my YouTube channel for now, but not kind of the breaks on overall. Right now I'm playing Blank Dreams, and in the future I just want to making short videos on me playing Love Live School Idol or Festival right now. So basically I'm just gonna take my also pause a short break, and I'm just gonna do some other random stuff, so you guys don't have to worry about me inactive. But if I do, which means that I'm just focusing on my college studying, so sometimes my real life is more important than just sitting down on YouTube and recording yourself playing video games. Studying in college for me right now is more important than posting gameplays on social media right now. So I want to prevent that, and I want to focus on my private life more. And I just want to take a little break on my YouTube channel, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna take a break in everything, just like I've been inactive before. I just gonna take a break on posting also gameplays, but in the future I maybe posting more Love Live School Idol Festival gameplays, and also playing drinking gameplays, because right now it's Halloween season, and I just want to get scared. I just want to get spooked while playing Blind Dream, because I'm totally blind at that games, and I really hype up what's going on next. So I cannot wait to see the next part of the Blind Dream, even though a lot of other big YouTubers already play it. But me myself, I haven't seen those YouTubers play yet, so I'm totally hyped to see the next part of Blind Dream. So that's the reason why in comments down below, I don't want you guys to spoil to me what's going to happen next on Blind Dream, because I don't like spoiling and I really want to figure out by myself. So happy Halloween. Yeah guys, the video is kind of not long, but in overall I want to thank you guys again for 65 subscribers, and I will try to manage to change the video titles on all my also gameplays that have the PP before the PP system change again. And also I'm just gonna taking a break on also gameplay posts, and maybe in the future I try to post more of Love Live School Idol Festival or short videos, and try to finish up the Blind Dream gameplay. So anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, hasta la vista.